Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So today we're comparing the top 3 AI video platforms on the market: HeyGen, Synthesia, and Colossyan. These tools are changing the way businesses, marketers, and creators produce videos without needing cameras, studios, or professional editing teams. Let's look at how they work, what makes each platform different, and which one you should actually buy, depending on your goals. First up is HeyGen. It's the most popular tool right now for marketers and content creators because its avatars look incredibly real. They move naturally, blink properly, and the lip syncing is top tier. The biggest advantage of HeyGen is that it focuses on creating videos that feel more personal and human. The AI avatars are designed to look and sound natural, which makes them useful for brands that want to connect with their audience without recording every video themselves. HeyGen also lets you create a digital twin of yourself very quickly using a short smartphone video. This means creators, business owners, and marketers can build an AI version of themselves that can deliver presentations, announcements, tutorials, or promotional content even when they don't have time to record manually. If you want to make engaging ads, social media clips, or product reviews, this is the best choice. It gives your videos a very polished human feel. For example, an online store could use HeyGen to create product demonstrations, while a personal brand could use it to create regular social media content without filming every single day. Next, we have Synthesia. This is the old giant of the industry and is built for big corporations. Instead of focusing on viral marketing, Synthesia focuses on deep security and massive scale. It is designed for organizations that need to create large amounts of professional training and communication videos while maintaining consistent branding and strict control over their content. It features a huge library of standard stock characters. The editor works just like PowerPoint. Type your text on different slides, pick an avatar, and hit generate. This simple workflow makes it easy for teams without video production experience to create professional-looking videos quickly. It's perfect for standard HR updates, safety training, and simple corporate presentations where data security is the main goal. Companies can use Synthesia for employee onboarding, internal announcements, compliance training, and educational content where accuracy and reliability matter more than viral engagement. Finally, let's talk about Colossyan. This platform has a unique focus. It's built specifically for workplace learning and development. Colossyan doesn't just output flat video files. It actually lets you build interactive quizzes
Let me show you how to
right
create
inside the video
high-quality
player.
training content.
This makes learning more engaging because viewers are not just watching passively. They can interact with the content, test their knowledge, and make decisions while moving through the lesson. Your viewers can click on choices, answer questions, and follow different paths. This type of interactive experience is especially useful for employee training, online courses, and educational programs where understanding the material is more important than simply watching a video. It also lets you put multiple avatars on screen at the same time so they can have a conversation. This can help create realistic dialogue-based training scenarios, such as customer service role-plays, workplace conversations, or interview simulations. So which one should you go for? It's pretty simple when you look at your goals. Choose HeyGen if you need high-quality marketing videos and social media growth. It's the strongest option for creators and brands that want realistic AI presenters and engaging promotional content. Choose Synthesia if you work in a huge company that needs strict security rules. It's better suited for enterprise teams creating large amounts of professional internal content. Pick Colossyan if you're building interactive training courses for your team. Its learning-focused features make it a strong choice for education and employee development. Each platform is designed for a different type of user, so the right choice depends on whether your priority is marketing, corporate communication, or interactive learning. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It helps support the channel and lets us create more useful comparisons and tutorials like this.